conference results. We've been working hard preparing for this conference. We had a training camp in Thailand, just got back. So we're really looking forward to have a better conference this conference. But yeah, one game at a time. So siguro in look forward na sa akin is hopefully play better this conference and mas may reinforcement din. So sana mas gumanda pa yung chemistry namin na sa team.
Big, nalaro na ba si Gio?
And I think the management our management team has decided also na she has to sit conference out. Yeah, so she's not playing this conference.
Press conference. Galing kayo sa training camp, kamusta na ba yung experience? So,
Masaya kasi syempre bonding din every time we go abroad as a team. Tapos to have a reinforcement with us, Coco has brought a lot of new things to our team. Ang dami na namin natutunan sa kanya because she's very experienced. And natutunan din namin sa mga local teams na nakalaban namin sa Thailand. So looking forward na ma-apply and ma-execute namin lahat ng mga experiences na nag-gain namin through our training camp.
Big, yung import nyo obviously outside dito, so yung ma-apektuhan ba sa rotation? O okay lang yun na marami kayo?
It's Coco is such a good addition in the works team. More than the experience she's bringing in the team. Ano siya, very vocal, very straightforward. We're able to actually adjust easier because of that siguro personality of hers. But in terms of rotation, I think better naman din talaga in a team na mas madami yung umiikot kasi mas madaming contribution na makukuhanan from the whole team. So we're just really looking forward na mas maganda talaga yung masustain namin at maintain namin yung consistency namin from our training camp up until the start of the conference.
Coach Erwin Nabahal.
That's why.
Beach, parang kasi matagal-tagal na kayo hindi nagka-champion. This conference pa, medyo determined kayo to finally win again.
Every conference naman, super determined naman din talaga yung line, our management, our coaches, kami mga players na mag-champion ulit, manalo ulit. So yun naman din talaga lagi yung goal. Pero the bigger goal for us is to always be safe, na injury-free, hopefully lahat ng mga player and yung mga hindi pa makabalik na. So yun naman din yung bigger goal for our team. And pero yeah, championship talaga, definitely. Lalaban talaga kami hanggang sa dulo naman palagi.
Thank you guys. Thank you po.